What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over a friend Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1303, up 0.62 on the day. We're seeing market cap of 157 billion, 24-hour volume 18.99 billion. If you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. $4,000 blast off bonus for 13 more days. Free access to my Discord if you email me with your sign up email. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour chart. So what I'm looking at here is that we have yet to come down in a wave 5. It's potentially already in, but this impulsive move down just doesn't look like a wave 5 to me. I think it's more likely that we've come down in a sub wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. However, guys, if this does play out, then your wave 3 target, the 1.618 target, is all the way down at about 1,047. For a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 5 here in white, which would be an extended wave for a wave 5, but it is possible. But your target zone for the 5th wave is in between 1110 and 1114. We almost hit that target. So the wave 5 could be in. I just don't think it's the probable scenario. I do think you'll create a lower low. However, if the wave 5 were to be in, let's say this is the wave 5 right here, and this is the bullish scenario that we've come up in a wave 1, a regular ABC, and we've met our wave 2 pullback zone in between about 1,067 and 1,274. And now we're going to push up in a wave 3, and the bear market is over, which I don't think is likely at all, but it's a possibility. So I show it to you guys. So what you could look at here is that this is a wave 1 to the downside. This is a wave 2, and now we've come down in a wave 3. And now you're starting to come up in some sort of corrective move, wave 4, usually a 3-wave move, and you come down for a wave 5. You complete the wave 2 pullback for Ethereum, and you shoot up in a wave 3, which would take you all the way up. Sorry, guys. Oh, so my God. Would take you all the way up for ETH, trend-based extension from the bottom to the top of wave 1 to the bottom. If let's say we come down to 1.1K, and you would shoot all the way up to the 1.618 at 2,576. You guys really think that's going to happen over the next few months? Personally, I don't. Yes, we have the midterm elections that can cause a rally in the price, but not a bear market reversal in my opinion. But it is possible, and that's why I'm showing it to you guys. All right, we're watching this head and shoulders pattern. We bounced off this downsloping trend line. Head and shoulders in a downtrend is basically the highest success rate of all patterns. In an uptrend, inverse head and shoulders, in a downtrend, head and shoulders, to reach their technical target, which is down here at 1,061. Now you're going to see a lot of people be like, well, look, we have a falling wedge. And that's exactly why I don't like patterns and really only use them as confluence. If this falling wedge were to break out, backtest, we could pay some attention to it. We could look at it, but as of right now, we have bounced off this trend line. So what we may see here is we come down for that wave 5 to retest that trend line again at about 1.1K. All right, guys, that's what I'm looking at. But if we do start to make an impulsive move to the upside, then all I'd be looking at is that it's a wave 4. You know, we've come down in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, and now we've finished a very short wave 3, which doesn't make a lot of sense. This being a wave 1 down, this is a wave 2, a very short wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, because your real wave 3 target is all the way down here. Your real wave 3 target is right here. This red wave 3 is down here at about 806. That's the proper 1.618 extension. But if you're looking at a regular ABC correction, then your wave 3 target should be much deeper. Personally, I don't think either of those bullish scenarios are likely, but they are possible. What I'm looking at here is that this is a wave 4 pullback, and we're going to have a wave 5 down to 550 to about 650 for our friend ETH. I could be wrong, but looking at Bitcoin, looking at the economy, I don't think inflation will start slowing down until next year. So this is what I'm looking at. It looks like the dollar is continuing to increase here as well. The dollar did reach the 1.618 extension, so we could potentially see a rejection from that level. And we have a little bit of a bearish divergence that might get invalidated here on the DXY. We'll see what happens if it continues to push up all the way up to the 2 extension, which I have mentioned. I do think it will reach the 2 extension, quite possibly the 2.272. Then that's when you'll see the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin continue to come down here. All right, guys, so that's basically it for this one. I don't think the wave 5 is complete, and quite possibly this is a 1-2, and then we come down in 3-4-5 extended wave 5, take you all the way down to about 1K. But your wave 5 target zone is here in between 1.1 and 1214. So if we do start to push up from here, then you'd have to be looking at the 5 waves already being complete. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. You can get my exact entries, excess, and take profits, as well as my chart analysis coming in at $10 per month. Just locked in a little bit of gains on my Bitcoin short. Hopefully going to let the rest ride with my stop loss at break even. And I post my analysis in here regularly before the videos. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can get free access to the chat rooms if you sign up to Bybit. Email me your sign up email. But the signals and my analysis is coming in at $10 a month. Make sure to check out my full length tutorial over on Bybit as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.